my name's Solera Goldwyn and I'm the Food Systems Manager here at Royal Roads University. So right now, this morning, we are building the first part of our kitchen garden. And so behind me, we're creating a sheet mulch with cardboard and chips and manure. And we're gonna build a garden here, a food garden called the Giving Garden. Everything grown in the Giving Garden will be donated and gifted to local community groups.
One of our values is caring, and I think this is an incredible embodiment of that value of caring. And we know that even in our own community, there are lots of issues with food security. So this is a small way that we can start making a contribution towards ending that food insecurity. We know that this land was so important for Indigenous peoples. They collected food off of these lands. The kamass was an important source of starch, as an example, but all the berries and other foods in the forest, and of course the amazing resources they had down in the lagoon. So we're continuing that tradition in a sense. And then in the Dunsmuir era, of course, this was a fully functioning farm. This was one component of it, was the Edwardian kitchen garden. So what we're doing really is reimagining the Edwardian kitchen garden into a world garden, a garden that truly reflects the diversity of our community.
Right away, we're going to plant things like squash. Maybe we'll even try some field tomatoes, collard greens. Because it's a sheet mulch, we're only growing kind of bigger starts and not seeding right away, but come next year, we'll definitely be able to seed right into this space. So over time, it's going to change and evolve, and as our partnerships with community organizations develop and people tell us, what they want to see growing here, we can adapt to those needs as well, hoping to grow garlic in the fall.